Hey guys, it's Grace here. I'm going to show you 3 gorgeous ways to wear our Jane Convertible Dress. It features a panel of front and back ruffles at the sleeves that you can switch up to create 3 completely different looks. The most classic way to wear this dress is as a cold shoulder. You'll notice that there's really cute cutouts at the shoulder that expose just a flash of skin. It's equal parts sexy and a little sweet too. You can also wear it as a classic spaghetti strap dress. All you have to do is slide your arms under the straps but not through the actual armholes and just let them tuck underneath your arms. You'll notice that the ruffles just kind of blend seamlessly in with the rest of the dress. No one will know the difference. If you're looking for something a bit more covered up, you can also wear it as a ruffled sleeved v-neck. All you need is the double-sided fashion tape found in your pin pack. Start off by wearing it as a cold shoulder, then pop the sleeves over your shoulder. You can use the double-sided tape to keep them in place. So there you have it. It's our Jane Convertible Dress in 3 gorgeous yet totally unique ways.